Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to open Kuda Bank accounts. So all you have to do, guys, go to Google, search for Kuda Bank. This is the keyword, as you can see here. Click the first website here. You will see this page. From here, click Join Kuda. As you can see here, to open your account, you should be scan this QR code, download this on Google Play, and then open your app, follow this prompts. Or you can use sign up option from here. This is for sign up option, and then you will redirect it to this page. And then from here, set up your accounts, click open in accounts. As you can see here, click continue. And then all you have to do when you click open accounts, write your email address and password and confirm your password. So write your email address, friends, write your password, make sure write strong and good password, and then click on next. So just wait, write a strong password. After that, after writing your strong password, click next and complete your process. So friends, write your password here. After write your password, click next, and then you will be redirected to this page. Write your recent code and then confirm your process. Thanks for watching.